How to enable and use sleep mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner and tap on Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now on the home page, simply tap on the bottom right corner on your profile. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll down. Now under how you use Instagram, you will find an option for time management. Simply tap on it. Now on this page you will find an option for sleep mode. Simply tap on it. Now enable the toggle for sleep mode. Now set your start time. Now tap on OK. Again set your end time. Now once you're done, simply tap on OK. Now choose your days and click on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.